So friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will share you less important updates about Toshi Coin. Its price prediction this year mega balloon because friends recently we see massive rally in Toshi also. Last time I shared Toshi with you around 0.3 times zero $3 price, but right now you can see almost is 2x from my previous video. Current price 0.3 times zero $8, drop by almost 6% last 24 hours, but last 30 days performance amazing. Hex difference 122% pump in last 7 days, 126% pump. So this is amazing performance from this coin, and coin is already listed in Coinbase, and maybe Binance listing is also possible. $339 million market caps. This is good, friends. Market cap is already huge. $154 million trading volume in last 24 hours. 420 billion supply, all in circulation. Not just a meme coin, you can see friends, not just a cat theme meme coin in basic ecosystem, but also a launch pad. That's why Toshi is unique. We are only 64% down than its all-time high the 4 months ago, and coin has already killed 5 zeros since its launching. This is crazy from this coin. So this is really amazing, friends. It's still Borderland is officially not started yet, and coin has already killed 5 zeros. So Toshi definitely can be next $1 billion market cap coin. You can see friends, Coinbase, Gate.io, and KuCoin has already listed Kraken. Mostly tier 1 central exchanges list this coin except Binance. Binance is still no list this coin, but you can buy from CoinX and KuCoin, both central exchanges. Links in description already. You can join both central exchanges, and 611,000 holders for Toshi. So this is good, friends. Number of holders amazing, really huge number of holders also, and these are the top base holders for this coin. You can see, friends, number one wallet has 2.5% supply, second one has 2.3% supply, and other all wallets you can see. And Bybit, that is a central exchange, holding 1.7% supply. Some other wallets, MEX exchange wallet is holding 1% supply. Friends, top 50 wallets you can also check out by yourself. Get.io, Coinbase, Get.io's wallet, and almost 50% or more than 50% supply in top 50 wallets. So somehow this is good because it's a meme coin and Bears ecosystem, and Bears ecosystem meme coins are also going to face their first ever mega bullion this year, and because it's a Kathy meme coin and this name is amazing, that is Toshi. So I think, friends, definitely Toshi has also potential with the next $1 billion market. My price prediction for Toshi is 15 to 30 billion dollars market. Right now you can see 339 million, but I think Toshi has potential to be the next 15 to 30 billion dollars market. Recently we see many meme coin did 5 to 10x within just a week, just like Moontang, Chill Guy, and many other meme coin, Fork, Bread. So it's definitely possible because these are meme coins. If they make massive hype in crypto market, then it's really possible that we can see Toshi from just 300 million market up to 15 to 30 billion dollars market in this year's super cycle mega bull. You can see, friends, website is also looking good. Okay, this is a meme coin launched on Bass ecosystem. You can join their social communities also, copy their official contract address here. These are the all central exchanges where this coin is listed. Okay, mostly tier 1 central exchanges only list this coin, but still Binance Node list this coin in sport and also in futures. There are many meme coins, including Hippo, that is Sui ecosystem coin, recently badly crashed, but Hippo is also listed in Binance Future. But this coin is still not on Binance Futures. You can see Coinbase Futures, Bybit, MEXC, Kraken, Get.io, and Bitget Futures already list this coin. It's still not Binance. But maybe it's possible that in this month of May or maybe in June we can see Toshi, Bread, and many other base ecosystem listing on Binance too. You can check out all further details here, friends, on their website. And friends, if you not join my Telegram channels yet, so you can also join my Telegram channel. Link in description. What's your price prediction about Toshi? Do you really think that Toshi has potential to reach 15 to 30 billion dollars market cap, and can we see its listing in Binance soon or not? You can must comment down below.